Alright everybody, happy Friday. Had to go in at 4 o'clock this morning and work 8 hours. But now I'm home. I'm going to try to get this field finished today. You can see it behind me there, I think. But anyway, that's what I'm getting ready to do now. You can hear the tractor going. So, I'm going to get after it, and we'll be back later to talk about something. Don't know what yet, but we'll be back. Alright, on the tractor mowing. You can see got quite a bit done here. I'm guessing I only got about 8 acres back here. But it takes a while on this little tractor to get it cut when you only cut a 5-foot swath at a time. So, show you a little bit what it looks like. Hopefully this time next year, well, hopefully before then I'll have pigs on some of this and have some chickens on it this time next year. Well, next time next year maybe I'll be winding up the chickens. But anyway, I don't know, we'll have to see how that all plans out. Like I said, hopefully we plan to put some pigs out here. And then this spring, next spring, we'll have chickens on part of it. So stay tuned for all of that. I know, I've been talking a lot, but I haven't been done much, but things are moving our way. The wheels of progress move slow sometimes, but we're making a move. Alright, on the tractor again. Hauling pig feed to the pigs. Normally we would pack them with this 2 5-gallon buckets full, but one, I got a bunch of weeds and leaves and stuff like that in the bucket. I'm gonna feed to the pigs, or dump in the pen. I don't know if they'll eat it, but I'm gonna dump it in there. And that hair's been rough on my, or that wind's been rough on my hair today. Anyway. So I just figured we'd haul it over there. Ethan was going to ride with me, but the puppies think they're starving to death. I thought my tractor was making a noise, and come find out it's a pig. Anyway, so that's what we're doing right now. Then I'll get back, try to get my mowing finished tonight. Ethan, I'm going to dump that in the pen. Put the feed in there. Got some happy little pigs there. They got some food. Not going to be little much longer. There'll be some big pigs here before long. Kind of looking forward to that. Getting big. Do his job he's brought here to do. And over here we got some happy big pigs. Yeah. Got some food to put in their bellies, so they're gonna be happy, happy, happy. As a certain celebrity redneck says. Yep, that's interesting. That's what I was walking over here to see. These are the two boys over here, and that's the girls over there. Oh, it looks like bacon bits Well, nope, he decided it wasn't worth the trouble. He'd just stay here. That's funny. Look at there. There's a happy pig. Wagging his stumpy little tail. Alright. Gotta get back on the tractor, see if I can't get this mowing finished up. Got another project for tomorrow. So, I'll probably come back in a bit and wrap this up. Gonna take a few seconds here and just enjoy the sundown. It's one of the things I love about up here. We got these beautiful sunsets. There's just one little bitty strip left, and I probably got some trimming along some edges, but this is it for tonight. The whole thing. All done. Yeah. Glad to have it done. Although it has been pretty relaxing to get out of here on this tractor and just make some rounds. But anyway, I guess all good things must come to an end. I don't know, I've wanted this mowed for a while, so. And it's my fault because it hasn't been mowed. Kinda. You know. I didn't try to get it mowed too hard. I was, hoping somebody could use it for some hay, but evidently nobody's interested in that, so I just took the brush cutter to it. Now it's all cleared off. Alright, I'm going to finish this up now. Said, finally got that field mowed. Time-wise, I mean, it's probably got 8 hours or so in it. I don't know. I didn't keep too good a track of it. But it's done. And that's what matters. So, if you like what you're seeing, yeah, hold the camera further out the old part. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Everybody that's been watching, my views have gone up. So, I appreciate that. Said subscribe. For those of you who do subscribe and have been loyal followers, I appreciate it a lot. Appreciate all the new subscribers. So, I think I'm gonna get out of here and go see if I see what's for supper. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So, let's all look out for each other, help each other out when we can, and let's pray for each other. Later.